I'm Marissa, and that's Nick. We're high school sweethearts who love to travel. We're also professional photographers and videographers based out of Massachusetts, specializing in weddings and music videos. After being in lockdown for over a year because of the 2020 pandemic, we are so ready to get out of the house and see some new and familiar places. Welcome to I Just Want to Travel.
Washing is right there. Take a wash.
I need a wash.
Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm currently sitting inside of an Airstream. I had booked this little accommodation because I had a client who wanted some photos in it, so they came, we did it, now they're gone, and I'm waiting for Nick to get here. He finished up work, he went to the store to grab some food so we can cook it outside on the campfire. But you heard that right, I'm inside an Airstream. So I'm at this place called AutoCamp, and apparently there's a bunch of them around the United States, but this one specifically is in Falmouth, Massachusetts. It is probably the coolest place that I've ever seen. It has Airstreams, has a handful of tents around here, which I would love to come back and stay in one of those. I want to give you a tour of what this place looks like. It is small, it is the basic one. I think it was like $170 for the night, which is a little expensive, but you get outdoor dining, you get a fire pit, there is a restaurant inside the main building, which is actually really cool. I feel like it could easily hold a really cool small wedding there, and I'm like dying to shoot a wedding here, or like an engagement session or something else here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the Airstream because it's really cool before Nick gets here, maybe show you the property some too. And then we're gonna cook some burgers, and we're gonna hang out, we're just kind of chill tonight. It's gonna be so much fun.
I was hoping you'd be vlogging.
I found him! You made it!
Yep.
This place is so cool, you're gonna love it. I was just walking up here to actually come meet him because I knew he was gonna be here soon. And then I saw these few other places that are around here and they just look so cool. I'm still like mind blown about this place. Doing a great job.
Oh no, look at this. They're like spread out, and that's not gonna help.
I was just saying that this is like practice for when we go to Sedona, or I should say Arizona, because we're going to Sedona, Phoenix, Flagstaff, Grand Canyon, a bunch of different places. But we're like in a little RV park here. We got a fire going on. We're gonna cook on that fire. I really love this, I truly do. Except the only difference is it won't be 35 degrees out. It's so cold. I tried to film you doing that all like elegant and stuff, and both times you were like, blah, blah.
Throw meat on my hands.
Can you get the door? Can we get it? Is it firm like your hand?
From like your hand.
So I can see us doing this a lot in Arizona. Making these little burgers, except I'll have condiments and maybe cheese on them next to them sometime.
Yeah, maybe.
He didn't get anything, but
Oops.
it's gonna be good. Cheers. How many calories do I have left?
Like 400 or so.
So guys, I'm on a new diet and like exercise thing. He's taking care of everything for me.
Not just that, I'm a new fitness. What am I?
Oh,
I'm a
you're
nutritionist.
A coach? Yeah.
I am your coach.
You're like my wellness coach or something.
I'm your wellness captain.
So I've been doing like 1350 calories a day, working out cardio and strength every day. So I have 400 calories left and I need to eat them. So we're going to the store and I'm going to go find an ice cream.
Why haven't you filmed me?
Because I was like about to film this and then you started blowing your nose.
Take 2.
Got the half baked. I can have only 1/3 of this. So I'm gonna get into pajamas, get warm, put something on the TV, and eat 1/3 of this real ice cream.
You ready for this thing?
I'm ready for this thing.
Let's go.
Tell them what we're talking about. Oh my god, that looks so good. We were talking about just like how we could possibly like live in one of these. I'm so for it. This is all I really need. I mean, we got our cats and a rabbit, but let's eat ice cream. We're gonna watch some TV. There's cable here, which like these are stationed Airstreams, so they don't go anywhere. But there's nothing on cable. So I have my laptop and we're gonna watch something.
Where's your lactades?
I brought one over here.
Oh, cool.
Another eating from the car chronicle. We've checked out of AutoCamp. I just want to quickly say that that was a very cool experience. I would recommend them to anybody. The checkout lady, like I didn't even mean to check out with her. I went in there to go take videos and some photos and maybe like, oh, it's falling, get some money so I can leave a tip. And she was like, oh, you know what? You can leave it on your bill here. We'll do it for you. And she checked me out and she was really nice. Like didn't make me feel weird for taking photos or anything. Go there. If you're ever on the Cape, Falmouth is not a place we usually go to. It's actually an hour away from where we live and we're like in mid-Cape area. So it's just like absolutely insane that it's this far away, but this place is really cool. I would recommend coming here any day. The views are amazing and you can come here year round, which is really cool. But we're in the car. We got blended berry. We went to the Falmouth location because there's one in Buzzards Bay that you've seen us go 200 times, but we came here since we're in Falmouth and we're gonna eat that. I'm so excited because like I said yesterday, I'm on a diet, so I can eat about half of this. Because they're huge. Show them how big it is. Look how big it is. This is my hand. Size reference.
Wow!
Huh?
So we're gonna split it.
Yep. Let's eat.
Very nice.